Quick layered cut. Quick layered cut is cut with multiple layers. It is a simple yet stylish haircut. It adds volume to the hair and at the same time reduces the weight. This style suits all types of hair texture. If it is done on fine hair, it creates movement in the layers of the hair. In curly hair, it reduces the volume and makes it more manageable. It is ideal for those who wish to maintain the length of the hair and would prefer to have lots of layers. Preparation. Before performing a quick layered cut on a client, consult her to check the preferred hair length. If client's hair is very long, make sure that you have approval to cut the hair short. Once the client approves, get ready to start the cut. Wash your hands thoroughly. Examine the client's scalp and ensure that there are no boils, blisters, rashes or open wounds. Next, analyze the hair. To do so, pick up a strand of hair and feel its diameter. Check the porosity of hair next by picking up a single strand of hair. Move your fingers up the strand and feel its smoothness. Then stretch the hair to check its elasticity. The natural fall of the hair is the hair stream of the client. Texture, porosity, elasticity and hair stream affect a haircut. Set the trolley with the required material for easy access while cutting hair. Make sure that the combs and scissors are sterilized. Drape the client properly. Before beginning to cut the hair, ensure that the hair is clean and damp. Shampoo the hair to remove residues of oil, spray, mousse, etc. Condition the hair and detangle it. Sectioning of hair. Spray the hair. Section the hair with the help of a tail comb. Create a center parting. Then create an ear-to-ear parting. Gather all the hair at the back of the head in the direction opposite to the hair stream and make a clean ponytail at the pivot point. The other method of gathering hair into a ponytail to perform this cut is to divide the hair into pie sections and then over-direct the hair sections to make a ponytail. Pie sectioning is also recommended in cases where the client hair is thick and we cannot manage the hair at one go. Managing back and front section. Comb the hair properly and hold all the hair together at the pivot point, as is done for making a ponytail. This is similar to making a high ponytail. Make sure that the hair is adequately moist. Comb the hair again, this time with a cutting comb for creating even tension. Make sure your comb touches the scalp while combing. Now we have two methods to perform this cut. In the first method, we take a small section from the front hairline and cut at the lip, chin or collarbone level as per the requirement of the client. Use it as the guideline for the rest of the haircut. Avoid cutting the hair into very short layers on dry hair, as it will result in strands flying away. The second method is to hold the hair together in a ponytail at pivot and cut at 180 degrees. The length of hair is kept according to client requirement. That is, layers can start at crown area, occipital area or the nape area. Cut the hair using the deep notching technique. Ensure before cutting the hair that the guideline is at least half an inch away from the fingers. Comb the hair and recheck before moving to the next section. Now move the fingers through the hair on all sides for better visibility of layers. Scrunch dry hair for a sleep-in look. Now that the hair is cut, blow dry it inwards and set with styling products or iron, depending on the client's requirement. Quick layered cut is easy to manage and maintain. It does not require much setting. It can be easily styled at home. Scrunch drying and finger drying with mousse are effective techniques of styling quick layered hair. Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty is seen sporting this cut. Do's and don'ts. Before performing the quick layered cut on a client, advise the client to stay still to prevent any accidental injuries. While cutting the hair, always leave a margin to ensure that you do not cut more than required. Use a pair of sharp, point-cutting scissors for an effective cut. Do not cut the hair into very short layers on dry hair, as it will result in a fly-off. Keep the top section hair long enough to reach the nape area if the client wants to tie her hair up into a ponytail. If required, take corrective measures after setting the hair. After the cut, explain to the client how the hair should be set.